So hi everyone, welcome to the course, and today we will be starting with something new which is known as DOM. What DOM is? So first of all I want to know that you all have written JavaScript code and linked that file with the HTML file, right? But how that particular thing is working? Now think, when JavaScript can only handle your objects, nothing else. So how it is handling your all the tags? So that is why we were using inspect, and in that we were referring to the console so that we can look to the answers. But we were not manipulating our HTML at that time. Now if we want to manipulate our HTML file and CSS, for that we require DOM. DOM is your document object model, where your HTML document is converted into object, and that is a tree-like structure. That is why it is known as document object model. Now let's see one example that how it works. Okay, so for that I am going to have my default snippet and create one file saying script.js. Why script? Because by convention to any file we name script, and to include it, you know that where you have to include is in the body, write a script, in the source put your script.js, and it's done. Okay, so let's see now. Open this file. It is empty, okay, but I will add some heading to this. DOM document object model. So now let me give you one example through the image. Now look at this image. There is something called document at the top, and after that HTML is there. This tag is converted into a node, and node is basically your tag. So you can use vice versa. Whenever it is node, we refer to as an object, and it is object because your tag was there which was converted. Now see, come to this thing, inspect it. You will see that you can see all the elements over here when you hover it. So now when you go back, this HTML is considered as your root element, because if you look at this image, do one thing, go in here and type window, reload it, and in the console write window and click on tab, enter this. So you will see whenever you are writing window, your browser is giving you all the methods that are available. So these methods are inbuilt. That is why whenever you execute your code, you can see it in the console. This is inbuilt, which you can use at any time. See, I told you that alert, confirm and prompt is a method of your browser. So it is already there. It is already defined. We just need to use it. So we will be using multiple methods like this. See, alert is also there. So console.log is also in here. You can just check. Okay, so you will find it has a lot of inbuilt methods, but if you want to refer to anyone, you can always click through the window, type window, enter it, and you will get it. But that was not the point to show you. The only point was that this DOM is working with the help of that. This method is working because we have already inbuilt methods. Now here, see, come to your document. See, this is the heading. So now, why this is the root element? Because HTML is wrapped up in with all the contents. So your HTML is the root element, and the root element is having two more children, which is your head and body. Why? because HTML tag is itself containing head element also and body element also. So these are children of root element, and root element is going to be the parent of these two. What is our root element over here is HTML. Similarly, if inside head, we already know that we have link and title, that is going to be the children of the head element. Okay, and inside body, if you are writing div, image, your paragraph, anything, that will be the children. And title and link is siblings. Okay, they are siblings of each other. Now, if you are using H1 over here, this is the children of your parent body. But if you want to manipulate your document, let's suppose you want to manipulate this H1, how you will do that? Go inside your script tag, and to the script, select document. Document means that you are selecting your HTML document. Okay, after that, put your body, because you want to select body tag. This is the body. Okay, let's suppose you want to add a style of background color. Let's see how you will do that. So you selected this document, and inside that you selected body. Now what do you want to do? You want to add some style with the help of JavaScript. So see, put your style over here, dot, and your property, obviously. Without that, how you will be working? So after that, put equals to and add a background color of red. Now go back and see, you have this particular color in the background. Similarly, if you want to add any color, you can do that also. See, color is changed. Similarly, if you want to change your text color, so how you will do that? You will again write document dot body dot style, because you want to give style. And what do you want to change? Color equals to, put white. You can either write directly your color name, or you can just use your hex code. See? And next thing is, I want to align its center. So I will do that. Document dot body dot style dot text align equals to center. See, it's in the center. So this is how, by using simple things of JavaScript, you can manipulate your HTML document dynamically. Now why we are manipulating? Because JavaScript is the language where you can work with the things with client side and server side also. Server side means that we are going to work on backend things. Okay, for example, your Node.js, that is totally server side. Okay, and when you create something with the client side, so your JavaScript helps with that things. So this is how you can add simple styling. I hope this is understandable to you, and you can try these things by adding more things in your document. So that's all. Let's see how other properties work inside this in the next lecture.